Bro, what do you want?
I'll have a Big Mac with pickles.
I can't hear you, man. This car's too big. Speak up.
I'll have a Big Mac with pickles.
Big fat nipples?
Pickles, bro, pickles. You know, little green crunchy things shaped like a dick? Ford Expedition, limited edition, massive behemoth. I gotta step back 20 feet just to get all of this bad boy into the video, and I'm actually not even kidding, we're like 50 feet. The car that is so big, it did not fit inside my garage. Some SUVs scream badass. This one says,
I will find you, and I will kill you.
Let's do a walk around. Sits 8 passengers, probably actually 9. Now it's gonna take me a while to walk around this bad boy. It's been a while since you've heard from me, but I've made it around the rear tail light on the right hand side. Hold on, this is my Uber driver. Yeah, hey, I'm gonna need a ride to the front of my Ford Expedition. What do you mean you can't drive that far, bro? You can't or you won't. Hello? Hello? Son of a bitch. I'm on my own. All right, so yeah, big beast. 10-speed auto. Let's actually talk about the most important thing first, the engine. All right, guys, 3.5 liter twin turbo V6 engine making 375 horsepower and 470 pound-feet of torque. And let me tell you, it's got kick. I'll take you for a ride in a little bit. 10-speed automatic transmission. It's so smooth. Why am I manually shifting my Mustang? I'm a glutton for punishment. Let's get in this bad boy. This car has full automation. Look how huge this thing is compared to my Mustang. Can you imagine getting in this bad boy for the first time? Hello! With those seats down back there, there's over 100 cubic feet of storage space. Look at that big, beautiful, part digital, part analog dash. Let's see what the mileage is here. All right, not bad, not bad. About the same, a little bit worse than the Mustang. Average speed, yeah, we're not gonna wanna touch that. We don't want that evidence. Got a lot of safety features, the blind spot detection. Got the Bang & Olufsen stereo. 15 cup holders, man. 15. I'm trying to figure out how to drop the clutch in this bad boy. Just kidding. This is how much space you have in the Mustang. And this is how much space you have in the Expedition. Ballin'. No, not that kind of balls, you freaking perverts. Freaking perverts. This car is so big that I almost fell into one of the side bins. Bruh, you know that you are in a big car when you need a separate rear view mirror just to see what is going down in the rest of the car. Hey, stop having a block party back there. Why didn't they invite me? Those bastards. Here at Rated R Cars, we do not advocate drinking or using any illegal substances. Look at this gargantuan armrest. And look at the space in there. Hello? You could fit 3 bodies in there. Not that I would do that. 3 is too many. Maybe 2, but no more than that. Biggest sunroof of all time. Wireless charging pad. The rear view camera has its own washer. All right, little test of the stereo here. Really good stereo. Dennis Kenzo, the greatest producer of all time. All right, so now we're gonna take a drive and we're gonna go pick up my twin brother. Yeah, you guys didn't know I had a twin brother. We're gonna take a quick ride in it, go to McDonald's, get some food, and share some thoughts. In the Mustang, it's like you're the king of the road because you're in this fiery beast that you know, you floor it and it screams and it can take out a lot of cars, a lot of other cars on the road. So you're kind of like the king of the road in that aspect.
In this car, it's like you're the king of the road because you're kind of like looking down at everybody. You're in something gargantuan. And for once, after driving all sports cars all my life, for once I kind of feel like, you know what? Everybody's got to get out of my way for a change, which is pretty cool. You're sort of the boss of the road. So I'm trying to find a road where I can give this bad boy a little bit of a launch here. All right, here we go. Oh, my hat flew off. Awesome. A car this massive with that much kick in it, and I'm surprised it's only a V6. I thought this would be like a V10 when I saw it, or at least a V8. So when I heard V6, I was like, wow, that's, you know, not that good. But that thing launches. That's 375 horsepower. It's awesome. You don't need any more power than, well, of course you do. You always need more power. What am I saying? All right, so I'm gonna pick up my brother, and then we're gonna go to McDonald's. Hi, how you doing? I'll have a Happy Meal with a Camaro toy so I can run it over in one of my vids. Bro, what do you want?
I'll have a Big Mac with pickles.
I can't hear you, man. This car's too big. Speak up.
I'll have a Big Mac with pickles.
Big fat nipples?
Pickles, bro, pickles. You know, little green crunchy things shaped like a dick? A little green dick?
Bro, what?
That did not come out right.
I'm gonna pretend I didn't hear that.
That would be appreciated. Yeah.
He'll take McNuggets.
Bro! You are dead to me.
That's it. I'm coming back there and I'm gonna mess you up!
I'm right here, bro. I don't see you coming. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, I'm somewhere in the middle of the car. I'm lost. What do you mean take a right at the cup holders? There's fucking 15 of them. I'm so scared right now. What was that? Is anybody else in this quadrant? Help!
We're almost here. The Pass of Tentacles. 400 meters. Take a right. What? Son of a bitch.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really appreciate all of the comments and all of the likes. Remember to hit that like button if you like it. It makes me want to keep doing this. And as always, always be kinder than necessary. And remember, you guys are awesome. You guys make the channel. Thanks again. God bless. And stay tuned for more good things coming. What? You know what looks good.